Today I have a box from Naomi Tussin. Her jewelry is what we've had for fairly recent, 2, 3, 4 years. It is really interesting in that it is not large, it does not overwhelm. It is very simple and elegant in its shape and design and texture. It accentuates your style. It doesn't overwhelm you. So let's see what she has sent today. All right, this first group is silver. This one has the pearl. You can see the small square. All right, this is called Liz, It Is, and Babette. She has names for a lot of her pieces. All right, this next one is a pearl, coin pearl, with silver rings around it. All right, you can see that most all of her earrings fasten in one piece. There's one piece that latches so that you do not have any pieces to lose. All right, the next piece is a larger square than the first one I showed you, and it has a pearl at the bottom, you can see. Okay. And then we have two pendants. The first one works really well with that first pair of earrings that I showed you. It is the small rectangle, or excuse me, square with pearl, and then it has the little ring around it. It's on a really pretty chain that is about 18 inches in length. Okay? And the next, there is another pendant which has 3 of these squares stacked, and it has the rings in between them. Okay? That's the first group, and then we'll go to the second group. All right, in the second group we have added some gold, and you can see also a little bit unusual. One of the squares is at the bottom and one is at the top. You have a pearl connected to it and a ring at the top of each one, but they are asymmetrical. The second pair has the 2 small squares, and it has the gold and the silver rings in the middle. Okay. Now, most of the work that we have had from Naomi has been silver. She is adding gold to it, and in the gold vermeil. And this earring is a combination of the two. We have others here already, and we have requested that she do some of her earrings for us with just the vermeil, so they would be identical to the silver ones that I showed you, except they're vermeil. And then this pendant is a combination of the two. You have a gold square between 2 silver ones. All right, that concludes this addition to what we already have. We hope that you will come see it and the rest of our jewelry here at Smith Galleries. We are in the store 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, 10 to 5, and most of the time we can be reached by phone. We do answer our phone. You do not normally get an answering machine. If you do, it's because we're busy with customers. So give us a call, 843-842-2280.